In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on story comments on Instagram. So real easy to do. So what you want to do from this point is go into your Instagram and go to your profile at the bottom right corner here, and then navigate to the top 3 lines at the top right here. Once you're in this section, scroll down to where it says how others can interact with you and go to comments, and go ahead to where you see stories. And make sure that this is selected to be on everyone. That way you can comment and then they can comment back if it's enabled on their account. So from here, you can go back out and I'll show you what it looks like. So let's go through and find where we can make a comment on. And what you can see here is this person's story at the very bottom where you would like the story or share it, but on the left-hand side, you'll see this comment button. So what you can do is actually leave a comment on someone else's story, and it's just another way to communicate to someone if you really want to, or comment on their story in real time. And that's it. That's how you would go about doing that. So that is how you turn on your Instagram story comments. Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you next time.